A hardware wallet is one of the most common tools people use to protect Bitcoin more securely. But what is it exactly? A hardware wallet is a physical device designed to help keep your private keys safer. It does not store Bitcoin inside the device like coins in a box. Your Bitcoin still exists on the Bitcoin network. The hardware wallet helps protect the keys that give you control over that Bitcoin. That distinction matters. The device is not the money. The device protects access to the money. A hardware wallet is useful because it keeps your private keys separated from your regular internet-connected computer or phone. This can reduce the risk of online attacks. For example, if your laptop has malware, a hardware wallet can help prevent your private keys from being exposed directly. When you make a transaction, the hardware wallet helps sign that transaction securely. In simple terms, signing means proving that you are allowed to spend the Bitcoin without revealing the private key itself. That is one of the reasons hardware wallets are popular for long-term storage. They are especially useful when someone holds an amount of Bitcoin that they would be very upset to lose. But a hardware wallet is not magic. It does not protect you from every mistake. If you write your seed phrase badly, store it online, take a photo of it, or give it to someone, a hardware wallet cannot save you from that. Security is not only about buying a device, it is also about using it correctly. This is why beginners should not rush blindly. Before using a hardware wallet, it is important to understand wallets, private keys, seed phrases, backups, and scams. The device helps, but knowledge matters just as much. So, what is a hardware wallet? A simple answer is this. A hardware wallet is a physical device that helps protect the private keys connected to your Bitcoin, usually by keeping them offline and away from everyday internet risks. It is one of the most useful tools for Bitcoin security, especially for long-term holding. But like every Bitcoin tool, it works best when you understand what you are doing.